This is the biggest machine humans have ever built, a 27-kilometer ring of insane tech and supermagnets buried 100 meters underground. And its job? To smash tiny particles together to literally recreate the first billionth of a second of the Big Bang. But this insane machine at CERN isn't just a time machine. It's a ghost detector, and we are using it to hunt a ghost that makes up more of the universe than everything we can see combined. I'm about to tell you something that will blow your mind. Everything you've ever seen, every star, every galaxy, every single person, all of it is less than 5% of what's actually out there. It's an insane fact, but the universe is mostly two things we know nothing about: dark energy and today's main character, dark matter. A full 27% of the entire universe is this invisible stuff. We only know it's there because we see its gravity pulling on everything we can see. It's the invisible puppet master of the entire cosmos. For decades, this was the biggest mystery in physics. But now, after smashing particles at light speed for years, the world's most powerful machine is closing in, not with what it's finding, but with what it isn't finding. So how do you find something that's literally invisible? You can't just build a bigger telescope. You have to build something like the Large Hadron Collider, or LHC. The plan is both super simple and crazy complex. We fire two beams of protons in opposite directions until they're moving at 99.99991% the speed of light. Then we steer them into a head-on collision. That smash unleashes a crazy amount of energy in a tiny space, which then explodes into a shower of brand new particles. We built 4 gigantic detectors around these explosions: ALICE, ATLAS, CMS, and LHCb. Imagine a digital camera the size of a 5-story building, and you're getting close. They are built to track every single particle that flies out of a collision. But here's the problem. How do you detect an invisible particle? Scientists did something genius. They don't look for the dark matter, they look for its absence. It's a cosmic magic trick. They add up the energy of every visible particle after the crash. If the numbers don't add up, if some energy is missing, it means something invisible must have escaped and stolen it. We are literally hunting for a phantom by looking for a hole in our data. Why are we so sure this ghost even exists? The evidence is insane, and we found it by looking at the sky. In the 1970s, an astronomer named Vera Rubin was watching galaxies spin. She expected the stars on the edge to move slower than the stars in the middle, just like how Pluto moves slower than Mercury. But that's not what she saw. The stars on the outside were moving just as fast as the ones in the center. This completely broke the laws of physics. And since then, the clues just keep piling up. We see dark matter bending the light from distant galaxies. We see its fingerprint in the afterglow of the Big Bang itself. All of these huge clues point to the same thing. The universe we see is just the tip of the iceberg. The rest are hiding. For years, everyone's number one suspect for the dark matter particle was the WIMP. WIMP stands for Weakly Interacting Massive Particle. It was the perfect suspect, and the LHC was the perfect machine to finally catch it. The hunt was on. For over a decade, the LHC has been hunting for this thing. In its biggest experiments, ATLAS and CMS, scientists have caused trillions and trillions of collisions. They've searched through mountains of data, always looking for that missing energy. They were looking for one single particle shooting out from literally nothing. That nothing would be the hole left by the dark matter ghost escaping. The LHC team tested everything. They looked for every possible kind of WIMP. They looked for clues of other big theories. They even hunted for portals to a secret, dark world that barely ever interacts with our own. And the result of all this searching? So far, nothing. Zero. Not one single definite signal of a dark matter particle. For years, this sounded like a massive failure. But in science, no is still an answer. And this is a huge one. The silence from the LHC has been deafening, and it's telling us something critical. The ghost we're hunting is not what we thought it was. This is the real secret the LHC gave us. It wasn't one big discovery, but something revealed over years of insane work. The experiments have crossed off huge chunks of what dark matter could be. The simplest and most popular ideas are now in serious trouble. They aren't completely gone, but the places they can hide are getting smaller and smaller. The LHC basically drew a giant map of where dark matter isn't, forcing scientists to get creative and look somewhere new. This incredible effort was so important that in April 2025, the 4 main LHC teams, that's over 13,000 scientists, were awarded the famous Breakthrough Prize. The prize honored them for their discoveries, but also for finding out where dark matter isn't hiding. The LHC didn't fail to find dark matter. It revealed its secrets by showing us how sneaky and weird it has to be. The answer wasn't the easy one we all hoped for, and this has started a revolution in physics. Scientists are now digging into crazier ideas. Could dark matter be superlight particles? Could it be part of a whole dark family of particles with its own dark forces? To find out, Atlas and CMS are now using machine learning to look for totally bizarre new signals. This is all happening right now. We are on the absolute edge of understanding what 95% of our universe is. You will not want to miss what happens next. So what's next? The Large Hadron Collider is nowhere near done. It's in its third run right now, collecting more data than ever before. And massive upgrades are already being built. The high luminosity LHC, starting around 2029, will crank up the number of collisions by 10 times. This flood of new data will let scientists hunt for even rarer signs and check the last few hiding spots for dark matter. The LHC's We Found Nothing results have also triggered a worldwide mission. The search for dark matter now combines the LHC's high-energy crashes with super-sensitive underground detectors and giant telescopes. The Large Hadron Collider might not have handed us the answer on a silver platter, but it did something way more important. It closed old doors which forced us to look through new ones. It crossed off the obvious suspects, pushing us into a much stranger and more exciting mystery. The secrets it revealed show us the true complexity of our universe. The hunt is far from over. In fact, thanks to the world's biggest machine, it's only just gotten interesting. The ghost is still out there, and the chase continues. If you think this cosmic detective story is as awesome as I do, and you want to be the first to know what we find, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell.